Good evening, it is Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. We have got a back to school offer on this particular car at the moment. So if you are somebody that is going to be doing the school run this year, we are giving you €750 one for all gift vouchers if you buy this car. And the reason is, if you're getting the kids back to school, they got lots and lots of stuff that costs lots and lots of money. So 750 quid of one for all vouchers is going to help you get the kids set up for the back to school. But why should you buy this particular car if they're going back to school? So first of all, like everyone in the country, you're going to need somewhere where they've got a large boot area. The second thing then is parking outside the school. You're going to need things like parking sensors on the rear and parking sensors on the front. Depending on your family size, you're going to have to get child seats into the car with ISOFIX on both sides, or as kids get much bigger, look at the legroom in this car. When you sit into this car, this is a small size car. Look at the legroom. And kids, let's face it, they don't get any smaller every day that goes past. And even if you look at the access for getting in and out, these are a brilliant car for that. And what's really nice about Jazzes is they're extremely reliable, so your kids cannot be late for school, which I suppose means long term actually they're going to be excellent scholars and academics. Looking at the front, you're going to have all the nice things like yourself for electrics for windows. You're going to have things like cruise control. You're going to have Bluetooth in through here. You're going to have controls for radio, and then to keep the kids happy over here, you're going to have things like, we'll say, USB connectors and HDMI if you want to play video or if you want to play music, and even for yourself, all that kind of stuff is there as well. This is a 1.3 litre engine. It is €200 per year for road tax. It is extremely frugal, extremely reliable, and this particular car, we have owned it since brand new, so we know the car inside out. No accidents, no body repairs, really nice condition. So if you're looking for a car for the school run 2018, and this is something in around the size that you're talking about, with the specification level and just how reliable these cars are, this could be something that is worth considering for you, and especially then when it's solving the problem. €750 of gift vouchers to go with that to get your kids back to school. If you want information, 086 843 1945, call, text, WhatsApp. Brian's my name. We can take trade-ins, we can offer you finance. Hopefully this car is of interest to you and your children. Thanks for taking time to